Let's be honest. Your curtains are doing a lot of work, but are they doing any decoration? Most of us spend 100 on fabrics only to let it hang there without a soul. But what if I told you that a smaller detail, a touch of handmade texture could turn a standard window into a Pinterest worthy focal point? Today I am taking you through a gallery of crochet curtain tiebacks designs that are currently talking Etsy and Shopify by storm. Whether you are a category lover or a modern minimalist, there is such stitches here for you. Stick around because by the end of this, you are never looking at a bare curtain the same way again. First up, we are bringing the outdoor in. Botanical tiebacks are absolute bestsellers, and it's easy to see why. The 3D rose, perfect for nurseries and romantic master bedrooms. The eucalyptus vine, this is the only for the plant parents. It offers a boho earthy vibe without the maintenance of real trailing plants. Notice the texture here, unlike plastic or metal hooks, these won't snag your delicate shears. They are softness that instantly calms on the room. If you are looking to sell these, remember color palettes are everything. Think sage green, dusty pink, and terracotta. Now, if you are stylings moving toward the Scandi bohemian look, let's talk about the minimalist. These designs rely on geometry and high quality cotton cords rather than intricate flowers. The beaded loop, combining polished wood beads that crochet, creates a high-end artisan feel that customers love. The braided rope, it's sturdy, functional, and look incredibly expensive on linen curtains. The beauty of these designs is their versatility. They aren't just functional tools, they are jewelry for your room. When you list these on Shopify, suggest them as the perfect housewarming gift. It's the kind of luxury item people rely but for themselves but love to receive also. One question we get all the time is, will these work for heavy blackout curtains? The answer is resounding yes. The secret is the tension. For heavier drapes, we recommend wide bands, honeycomb designs. It disturbs the weight so that tie doesn't dig into the fabric. Don't just show your customers the product, show them the transformation.